Hey everyone! If you're in India and looking for a smart, affordable way to insure your car in 2025, you've probably come across Acko. Known as one of the few fully digital car insurance providers in the country, Acko promises low premiums, paperless claims, and instant policies. But the big question is, does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Acko is a tech-first insurance company that operates entirely online. That means no agents, no paperwork, and no long queues. You can buy, renew, and even file claims directly through their app or website. They offer both third-party and comprehensive car insurance, along with popular add-ons like zero depreciation, engine protection, and roadside assistance. If you live in a metro city, Acko becomes even more attractive. They have a cashless garage network, and in some areas, they even offer free pickup and drop-off for repairs. On the flip side, their garage network is limited, and some users report denied claims or slow customer support, especially for bigger claims. Premiums can also increase unexpectedly in some cases. So, what do actual users think? Many appreciate Acko for its speed and simplicity. Claims can be processed in just a few days, and the app is smooth and easy to use. But when issues arise, getting human support can be challenging, making it a bit of a mixed experience. Here's the bottom line. If you want a cheap, fast, fully digital car insurance experience and live in a metro city, Acko is definitely worth considering. But if strong human support, a wide garage network, or high-value vehicles are your priority, you might want to explore other options. For everyday drivers who value convenience and savings, Acko can be a great fit. Just make sure you read the fine print before committing. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links and additional resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.